I was right. It's a desert.
None of the other dungeons I face have had this many different environments. Then it's gotta be a system dungeon. But if that's the case, why are there no quests? And why is it so different?
Mr. Sung, I see bursts of fire over there. That must be Emma.
Let's hurry. So, let's try. I'll end this!
Penetrate! I won't let you get away!
Vanish into the shadow of the moon! Vanish into the shadow of the moon! It's over! Too slow. I'll cut all of you down! Strike! It's no use. Time for a counterattack.
I won't let you get away!
An opening. Don't. Get in my way! You can't avoid me!
Penetrate! Get it!
This is the end! I'll shred you!
I'm gonna pass out. What on earth is going on? Why am I seeing Jinyu? Are you a mirage? Huh. Why couldn't you be a mirage of someone else?
I'm not a mirage. Here, drink this.
Ugh, so gross.
What happened?
So my eyes fluttered open. Above me, the burning sun. On every side, scorching sands as far as the eye could see.
Two S-rank hunters are showing the same symptoms without putting up much resistance. Whoever's doing this must be a skilled illusionist or something that uses incredibly powerful spatial magic. And if their whole team was affected too, we're in serious trouble. Let's pick up the pace.
Emma, will you be okay?
Of course. Okay is my middle name. And if the team's in danger, I can't be a baby about it. Hold tight, guys. We're on the way.
That was nothing.
He's back! Over here!
What's up?
What did he say?
He said there's no one here. Let's move.
You got it! Moving out!
This cave is structured like one from earlier.
It's like a passage connecting this section of the dungeon to another. Each section seems to be a different biome, with no relation to one another. If it's one person per section, there's as many areas as there were Strike Squad members. The dungeon's linear, so I can't send my shadows to find them and meet back at a landmark. And if the entrance and exit are blocked off as we pass through them, we'll be trapped if we're separated. We better move fast.
Look! Over there!
Finally, some backup. I didn't think they'd all be in one place. Is everyone okay?
Anyone hurt?
I was so scared we'd never find you! Is everything okay? Why aren't you talking?
Emma, get back!
What? What are...
Because of me, everyone... Not again.
Both of you, focus. They're magic beasts now. And they're doing what beasts do. So get ready. I'm ready. I'll shred you! Tearing through! Lightning Blitz! I see it all.
It's no use. This is the end. It's over.
I won't let you get away.
Vanish, the shadow of the moon.
Lightning Blitz!
I'll shred you. Too slow. I'll end this.
It's over!
It's an illusion. We've got to be hallucinating. A human turning into a magic beast? How can that even happen? It's a trick. We have to go. I'm sure everyone is waiting for us to help them.
Emma, it's not an illusion.
That's not possible. I promised I would protect our team, no matter what happened.
We should take their belongings home.
Yeah.
I still have a long way to go. They're both still in shock. Maybe that's a normal reaction. A theory we've been trying to ignore. Candiaro's blessing prevents me from being tricked by most illusions. So what we just saw must have really happened. I'm not sure if they're a natural shapeshifter like Baekhyun-ho, able to take a beast-like form, or if he became an actual magic beast through a one-time spell. All I know is his energy felt like that of a magic beast. I don't want to say it, but I don't think he's human at all anymore. Then what did he mean by failure? The things we face so far have either self-destructed or failed to fully utilize their powers. And their bodies crumbled and disappeared as soon as we defeated them. Maybe it was determined that they were failures because the bodies that contained all that power couldn't endure it. Who on earth would do this? And for what purpose? Is it related to the ghostly thing we saw in the last raid? And if those two were affected, could we reverse it before it's too late? Even if I have theories now, will I be able to find an answer in time if it comes to it? That's a problem for later. Right now, there's only one thing I can do. Focus on getting out of here. And these two as well.
You guys feel that shift?
We're probably entering a new biome. Miss Blanche, are there any Strike Squad members we haven't found yet?
Elena. I haven't seen Elena yet.
If I recall, Elena Renault was a D-rank pencil pusher, not as experienced in the field. I'm sure Miss Renault wasn't part of the failure from earlier. She seemed smart, though. If she had, she's probably still safe. I'll break through with my own strength.
You can't avoid it! Tearing through!
Time for a count. Too slow. I see it all. It's over. I'll cut.
All of you! I'll end this! You can't avoid it! Tearing through!
I'll let you get away.
Lightning blitz! Don't
Get in my way!
It's over.
Vanish into the shadow of the moon! I'll end this!
I'll cut.
All of you down!
I won't let you get away.
So it's gotta be Elena up ahead, right?
Yeah.
She's probably safe, right?
Elena would have found cover somehow. She'll be okay. I'm sure of it.
Let's go in. Arise.